Yes, so this is how I used to eat. I thought this was healthy eating. We got some plantain, some rice and beans, some chicken, some fresh veggies, and some coleslaw. Now the plate look healthy, don't it? Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. And it tastes good. But guess what? With the gut I have right now, nothing is wrong with the food, but it's bad for digestion. Beans take longer beans ferment, veggies take longer, fresh veggies take longer to digest, and it's complicating the gut. So now I've learned that starch, cornstarch in right, beans and rice, all that stuff mixed together in right, because my digestion actually can't handle all of that right now. Okay, so if you're bloated and having gas and everything, check on your food you're eating.